My studio is already divided with the Calyx furniture that you can see me assembling in another video. However, I thought in divided a little more to improve privacy and to better control light in each room. So I bought a shoe storage from Ikea that I'll put next to the Calyx, and I'll complement it with a nice wooden beam wall behind. That will increase the privacy of the bedroom and decreases the amount of light that the room receives from the kitchenette and the living room. The shoe cabinet is all white to match with the Calyx, has 80 cm wide, 35 cm long and 90 cm high. The assembly process is very straightforward, as you normally expect from IKEA products. See, the back of the unit is facing inwards, and the reason why is because I want the white to be visible from the bedroom. And even with the wooden wall covering most of the unit back, I think the white will make better contrast. These little pieces can be placed in different places that will determine the shelf position, and they should be facing up, like this. The shelves are very easy to install. The units come with 3 in total, and they can be placed diagonally or horizontally. After that, I had to install a small steel frame to hold the unit in place before installing the sliding doors. The sliding doors come with some hardware. Some are wheels that should be facing the ground, and some are lockers to lock the doors in the frames that I installed before, and they should be placed facing up. Finally, I installed the handles to conclude the build. As you can see, the sliding doors work perfectly, and they are the best solution for small spaces like this studio. Subscribe if you want to see the second part, where I build a wooden wall to place behind the storage unit to make the space feel warmer and complement the privacy aspect.